Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with QuickBooks Online to track rental income step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password associated with your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Accounting. Next, select Chart of Accounts. Now, click on the New button located in the upper right corner. In the Account Type drop-down menu, choose Income. For Account Subtype, select Rental Income. Fill in the name field with a descriptive. You can add a description if desired, which can help you identify the account later. To enhance tracking, check the box for Track this account on your balance sheet. After completing the form, click the Save and Close button. Return to the dashboard by clicking on the Dashboard option in the left-hand menu. Now, to create a new income transaction, click on New. Choose Income, then Sales Receipt or Invoice, depending on how you want to fill out the necessary fields including customer name, date, and amount received. In the Product/Service drop-down, select the rental income account you just created. Add any additional details required for your transaction. When everything is filled out correctly, click Save and Close to complete the transaction. To view your tracked rental income, return to the Accounting tab and select Chart of Accounts. Find the rental income account you created and, to generate reports, click on Reports in the left-hand menu. Search for the Profit and Loss report to review your rental income over a specific time period. Adjust the date range as necessary to see your desired results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.